Here's a really quick video about a trip that we took to DC about a week ago. First, I saw snowmen dancing, and then we took a pretty long car ride all the way to DC. Then we saw this boring museum, and then we went to the Natural History Museum, which was amazing. We waited in line, saw an elephant and a whale, which was really big. Saw this really long dead octopus. We saw these bones, some more bones, and then plastic, and then we saw more bone animals, and then we went to a cool African Voices exhibit. Saw some photography of penguins, and then we saw more bones, saw some flowers, got a ticket and went to the Butterfly Museum, which was amazing. There was so many butterflies, it was really pretty. If you ever go to the Natural History Museum, you have to go there. Then we saw these people walking, then we saw this lady biking, and went to the White House. Saw some fountains, and then we saw more people walking. Took a picture of MIwaldo. Me and Jeandre took a selfie. And then these people got nitrogen-infused coffee. Weird, right? Then we walked some more to get back to the White House. And then we saw the back of the White House saying "Do not enter."
Си меня манеме